Gonna bring her home now. See if she'll home. Might be slow like molasses because I hit the home button instead of giving it a G code. So yep, we're gonna have to watch this one slowly. Sorry about that. I'll take that pin off. I don't know if you notice I added this piece on. We can see it here. We're going to see if we can't start cutting today. This is known as the V1 Engineering Lowrider 3. Mostly printed parts from a 3D printer. Oshcut did the aluminum braces for me on that center rail where everything slides across. A whole bunch of nuts, bolts, and bearings to make this all work. A couple stepper motors, controller, screen. I run it off a Raspberry Pi tucked underneath this machine. So I'm able to remote into it and run it what I call headless. Even though I've still got the screen on there just so I can see what I'm doing. We'll home the Z next. I didn't want to do it out there. So we go down, go up. Take that off because I want the actual tip. So I'm going to terminal G1. We got X 500, F6000. See if I get close. Yep. Gotta figure this out. So G1 X 350. Play the guessing game for a little bit here. Looks like this guy needs to go a little bit further in. Don't know why it's up.